Love. هون بخير in Kurdish lessons. How are you? How is it going? It's very nice to see you here again. As you know, as Gule, Mamusta Gule. And today we will do a lesson, especially for beginners. I want to share some uh, everyday basic expressions that you can use in your daily life. Okay, so 2 years ago I did one, and last time, 1 week ago, I got a comment saying, "Can you prepare one more like this?" I said, "Oh, why not?" And I prepared some expressions, and now we will read them together. So if you are a beginner trying to improve your skills, so I suggest you write each expression down and pronounce with me. Okay, first I will pronounce a little bit slowly and then faster. Başa, وفهمكر أم هر أم دستي بك. Yes, learn everyday Kurdish Kurmanji 50 phrases for beginners. أبي. So I have four like chapter or section. One is everyday basic phrases. Second, communication conversation, social polite expressions, daily life situations, and last one, practical real life use. Okay, so let's start from the one. Yek. Tu iro chawai. Tu iro chawai. Tu iro chawai. Repeat after me. Tuiro chawai. Tuiro chawai. Tuiro chawai. So you see, iro and today they are red. So you will see some expressions, words that are red. So it is what I want to, like, just you can make a note. Iro is today. Okay. Tuiro chawai. Tuiro chawai. Do as basham. Spas. As Basham, spas, and don't forget in Kurmanji you can drop S like the pronounce because Basham shows as right. Basham spas, Basham spas, and you can do the same thing for the first one. Irochawai, Irochawai. I know yi is for two, so Irochawai. Basham spas, Basham spas. Oh, we don't need this one, this extra. And I what is, wait. Something is missing. I missed something. Just give me a second. I will check my sentences, which one I missed. So say chia. Ah, yeah. So it should be not bad. Thank you. Not bad. Thank you. So for not bad, we can say نخربة, نخربة, or إدارية. It's okay. It's okay. نخربة. إدارية. So when you see a tire like this, it means you can use both phrases. Okay? نخربة. Not bad. So خراب is bad. Okay. إدارية. Spas. Thank you. نخربة. إدارية. Spas. Or just إدارية. It's okay. نخربة. Not bad. So char. To chidiki. To chidiki. Or just chidiki. Chidiki. Because here the ending E is for two. So even I drop two, I know it's for you singular. Two. Chidiki. 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 And to say I am just relaxing. How do we say? I am just relaxing. It is as behna خوددم. As behna خوددم. As behna خوددم. Or as خود ريشتكم. As خود ريشتكم. As خود ريشتكم. As behna خوددم. As خود ريشتكم. I'm just relaxing. شش. تمجولي. تمجولي. Or just مجولي. إيرو مجولي busy today to مجولي بتشكي a little bit جلكي very much بتشكي جلكي very much بتشكي جلكي. Okay, here I mixed the places. Oh, okay. دقيقة بسكنة دقيقة بسكنة جكرة ماخوة. Wait a moment please. دقيقة بسكنة or just بسكنة. Wait بسكنة. Okay, so for wait you can use بسكنة. So my students use that قولي بسكنة when they are trying to remember something. قولي بسكنة بسكنة. أري. And how do you say I will be right back? I will be right back. As a hemavagarım. As a hemavagarım. Hema is immediately. Hema. Vagarım is to be back to return. As a hemavagarım. بسكنة. As a hemavagarım. Okay. And tend to say no problem. You can say نغمة. No problem. نغمة. Or تشتك نابه. تشتك نابه. تشتك نابه. تشتك نابه. نغمة. تشتك نابه. قولي نغمة. نغمة. Okay. So we did the first 10 expressions. Now let's see 11. How do you say, can you repeat that again? Can you repeat that again? تذكري دي سببيجي. تذكري دي سببيجي. Or تذكري دوباره بكي. But the first one is more common. Literally, can you say again? Okay, so ببيجي, but in spoken language you may see this b is dropped. So تذكري دي سبيجي. تذكري دي سبيجي. Okay, تذكري دي سبيجي. تذكري دوباره بكي. دوباره بكي. It's to repeat. دوباره بكي. دزده. من فم نكر. من فم نكر. مع مستقلات. من فم نكر. I didn't understand. من فم نكر. And to say I understood. من فم كر. Okay. من فم كر. Positive. من فم نكر. من فم نكر. من فم نكر. And let's imagine you want to say, what do you mean? So you can say تتخوازي چی ببیجی. تتخوازي چی ببیجی. Or قصدت چیه. قصدت چیه. تتخوازي چی ببیجی. قصدت چیه. گوله قصدت چیه. گوله تتخوازي چی ببیجی. تتخوازي چی ببیجی. Okay. 14 14. تو وی چاوا دبیجی. تو وی چاوا دبیجی. تو وی چاوا دبیجی. تو وی چاوا دبیجی. چاوا. How. چاوا. تو وی چاوا دبیجی. 15. افته چواتیه. Wate is a meaning, okay, as a noun. افته چواتیه. Or واتیا وی چیه. What's the meaning of these? افته چواتیه. Or واتیا وی چیه. What does this mean? واتیا وی چیه. 6. شکره ماخوه. هیدی تر بپیوه. هیدی تر بآخوه. هیدی تر بشتغله. Speak, okay? And شکره ماخوه, please. شکره ماخوه. شکره ماخوه. 17. أفكرك بعشا. أفكرك بعشا. أفكرك بعشا. That's a good idea. So فكر. فكر is idea. فكرك باش. A good idea. أفكرك بعشا. قولي أفكرك بعشا. 11. I agree. I agree or I agree with you as بترمى. So literally I am with you. ما مستقولي as بترمى. I agree. as بترمى. as بترمى. as بترمى. as بترمى. Next one, I don't think so. As wusa or wulo نافكرم. So is wusa. Like I don't think this way. I don't think so. As wusa نافكرم. أزولنا فكرة. I don't think so. أزولنا فكرة. Mamos the gule. And let's have the 21 beast. Avbalkesha. That's interesting. Avbalkesha. 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 Array. Okay, social polite expressions. As بناسيناتا كيف خوشبوم. Nice to meet you. As بناسيناتا كيف خوشبوم. As بناسيناتا كيف خوشبوم. And you can say SG. Same here. SG. 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 Long time no see. جزوفة ما have نديت. جزوفة. 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 جزوفة ما have نديت. Have eaten to meet to see each other. So, جزوفة ما have نديت. جزوفة ما have نديت. أري. Take care. هاي شخوهبة. هاي جخوهبة. Take care of yourself. Take care. هاي شخوهبة. هاي جخوهبة. هاي شخوهبة. See you later. أمي باشي have ببينن. أمي باشي have ببينن. أمي باشي have ببينن. أمي باشي have ببينن. روجاته بمینه خوش. روجاته بمینه خوش. روجاته بمینه خوش. روجاته بمینه خوش. قوت به. قوت به. قوت به. سرخیره به. سرخیره به. سرخیره به. سرخیره به. تو بخیر هاتی for one person. هون بخیر هاتن for many. Welcome. تو بخیر هاتی. هون بخیر هاتن. And as we said, in Kurmanji, you can drop the pronouns, especially in the present. بخير هاتي is also welcome. بخير هاتن. So this is a past tense sentence, but to hun can be dropped because hati hatan shows the number. Okay. To بخير هاتي or just بخير هاتي. قولي بخير هاتي. Or hun, you guys بخير هاتن. بخير هاتن. أهي. Galaxy Pass. Galaxy Pass. Galaxy Pass. Galaxy Pass. Thanks a lot. Galaxy Pass. And spas خوش. Or serchava. Serchava. So we write N at the end, it's plural oblique, but we don't pronounce it. Serchava. Serchava. Spas خوش. Okay, now let's see some daily life situations. See وياك 31. As المعلمة. As المعلمة. As المعلمة. As المعلمة. As the derve. I'm going out. As the derve. أري as the derve. بخاطر واحد. As the derve. As تيم. As تيم. I'm coming. As تيم. بسكنة. Wait. As تيم. بسكنة. As تيم. Oh, as the rang mom. As the rang mom. So the rang is late. Okay. بسكنة. So. I don't want to use the eraser or something. Okay, so the rang is late. The rang is late. As the rang mom, I am late. عجلة بك. Hurry up. عجلة بك. عجلة بك. عجلة بك. عجلة بك. أمهرن. رابع. Get up. أمهرن. أمهرن. Let's go. أمهرن. As واستيايمة. As بتليمة. As بتليمة. As واستيايمة. I'm tired. أستيمة. أستيمة. I'm thirsty. أستيمة. As برشيمة. I'm hungry. As برشيمة. And the last one for this section, as bash he snack. I don't feel well. As bash he snack. So bash can be good or well. Okay, as bash his nakm. I don't feel well. And the last section, practical real life use. Ev b'çiqasiye. How much is this? Ev b'çiqasiye. Ev b'çiqasiye. Ev zede b'hay. It's too expensive. Ev zede b'haye. Zede b'haye. Ev l'jem wahaya. Do you have this? Ev l'jem wahaya. Literally, we say this next to you. Is there? Ev l'jem wahaya. As l'ved garam. As l'ved garam. So, le something garin is to look for. As l'ved garam. As l'ved garam. As l'ved garam. Ev l'jem wahaya. I'm looking for this. Do you have this? Chilo page. To the karya li karya min biki. To the karya li karya min biki. To the karya li karya min biki. So alikari is help. Alikari. Dest shock or toilet. Likuya. Liku is where. Dest shock likuya. Toilet likuya. Where is the bathroom? So malata likuya. Where is your house? Or havalata, your friend. Likuya. Where is your friend? Okay. Tatatant likuya. Where is? ساعات چنده مامۆستا گولەیە ساعات چەندە ساعات چەندە ساعات پێنجە ساعات شەشە ساعات هەفتە etc. ساعات چەندە. And if you are lost, you will say ئەزوەندا بوومە. I'm lost. ئەزوەندا بوومە. ئەزوەندا بوومە. ئەزوەندا بوومە. I'm lost. Wanda is lost. Okay? Jivardura. Jivardura. Far from here? Is it far from here? So something Jivardura. مثلا, for example, Zaninge University. Oh, sorry, I just feel sleepy. Zaninge Jivardura. Is university far from here? Jivardura. So dur is far, far away. And the last one. I'm have bebinen. Let's meet tomorrow. I'm have bebinen. Let's meet tomorrow. وفمكر وفمكر أري I'm have bebinen. Let's meet tomorrow. So these sentences and phrases are very important for beginners. So I suggest you write them down, memorize them, learn them by heart, and use them when you need it. Okay? قالك سباس وروجا و بمين خوش حتى فيديو يكدن بخاطر